Here is our list of 5 of the best wax warmer kits for hair removal in 2022. Of the 5 wax warmers, Tress Wellness is the most popular, Maxpearl is the highest rated, and Vennco is the most affordable. Here are the reasons why you will love these waxing kits and why other people recommend them. In the first position is the Tress Wellness Waxing Kit. This is a popular waxing kit because it actually works. It is easy to use. It comes with high-quality beads that leave a cooling effect, and it has convenient temperature control features. In the second position is the Maxpearl Waxing Kit. This wax warmer is highly rated and comes recommended because it is super easy to use. It heats up fast without getting hot on the outside, and it has a convenient digital temperature control feature. It is well designed, and it is perfectly sized for travel. In the third position is the Vennco Waxing Kit. People with coarse hair will love this kit because it is really effective at removing it. It is incredibly easy to use. It offers great value for your money. And it comes with high-quality wax. Also, it melts the beads in about 6 minutes. In the fourth position is BLITZWAX Waxing Kit. People who have used this kit swear that it is a really good value for money. It is incredibly easy to use. And it doesn't cause extreme irritation on sensitive skin. They also love it for its small size. And also that it comes with everything that you will need to wax. In the fifth position is the Ajoura Professional Wax Warmer. The Ajoura is a common choice for most people because it offers great value for money. Also because it is easy to use, and heats up fast and melts wax easily. And the 4 packs of wax that it comes with, is something that is universally appreciated. Use the links in the description box below to try them out. That is all for now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.